bladder effect trapped around the annulus, which reads like drill pressure because it is trapped right there. It is sitting right there on the sensor. If this was a legitimate pressure issue, then we would have mud flowing right back up and out of that drill pipe right there. We're gonna run that negative pressure test again.
Go ahead, Dewey. Negative pressure test on the kill line.
Congratulations, good test.
We still got 1,400 PSI on the drill line.
We got 0 pressure on the kill line.
Oh shit!